Good morning, friends. Today is a very interesting article there on Indian Express. What is monkey dactyl? The flying reptile with the oldest opposable thumb. Let's learn about it. The new Petrosaur fossil was discovered in Taizhou Formation of Liaoning, China, and is believed to be 160 million years old. Researchers have described a Petrosaur species with opposable thumbs, which could likely be the earliest known instance of the limb. The Petrosaur species were reptiles, close cousins of dinosaurs, and the first animals after insects to evolve powered flight. The American Museum of Natural History says they evolved into various species. While some were as large as an F-16 fighter jet, others were as small as paper airplanes. The new Petrosaur fossil was discovered in Jiaozhou Formation of Liaoning, China, and is thought to be 160 million years old. It has now been described by an international team of researchers from China, Brazil, UK, Denmark, and Japan, and has been named Cunpengopterus antipolycatus, also dubbed monkey dactyl. What has the team of researchers found? Antipolycactus in ancient Greek means opposite thumbs, and it was attached to the name because the researchers' finding could be the first discovery of Petrosaur with an opposed thumb. The research team scanned the fossil of K. antipolycactus using microcomputed tomography, a technique making use of X-ray to image an object. By studying its forelimb morphology and musculature, they suggest that K. antipolycactus could have used its hand for grasping, which is likely an adaptation for arboreal life. A press release issued by the University of Birmingham stated. The recently found Petrosaurus fossil is far older than the old identified in 2019. Paleontologists have identified that species in Petrosaurus that lived over 77 million years ago in what is Western Canada today, named Cyrodracon boreas. It was believed to be one of the largest flying animals which flew over the heads of dinosaurs with a wingspan of over 10 meters. Why is opposability of the thumb important and how did it evolve? The Center for Academic Research and Training in Anthropology defines opposability of the thumb as being able to simultaneously flex, abduct, and medially rotate the thumb in a way that one is able to bring the tip of the thumb to touch the tip of the other fingers. Along with humans, some ancient monkeys and apes had opposable thumbs. Humans, however, have a relatively longer and distally placed thumb and a larger thumb muscle. This means that humans' tip-to-tip precision grip when holding smaller objects is superior to non-human primates. This is the reason that humans are able to hold a pen, unscrew an earring stopper, or put a thread through a needle hole. As per the American Museum of Natural History, the grasping hands of primates developed as a result of their life in the trees. An opposable thumb made it easier for the common ancestor of all primates to cling onto tree branches. Thank you.